Hey Khadisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So in today's video, I'm so excited to bring this all to you guys. This is actually a wig. If you could not tell in the picture, and if you didn't read the title, yes, this is a wig. And I cannot believe it. Like literally, I cannot. So I am partnering up with HerGivenHair in this video to show you all their bye-bye leave out wig. This is one of their newest wigs added to their collection, and I have to say this is one of my favorite wigs from HerGivenHair. So I'm gonna walk you guys through the process of, you know, unpackaging the hair, washing it, conditioning it, styling, installation, my overall thoughts, and all that good stuff. So let's just get right into it. So just a little bit of background. If you have not heard of HerGivenHair, which if you haven't, then you probably are new to the channel, because I have collabed with HerGivenHair since they came out, I believe in 2015 or 2016. Okay, fun fact, they were my first sponsorship ever, but they specialize in, like I said, wigs, clip-ins, wefts, ponytails, puffs, everything. If you're looking for something to protect the style, tuck your hair away, but you still want the texture to be natural and you want it to like blend with your natural hair and stuff, maybe you're looking to color the hair or just do something different, then HerGivenHair is definitely the brand to try out. So with this wig, which is HerGivenHair's bye-bye leave out thin part wig, I feel like I hit the jackpot because it looks so natural. I thought the last wig that I tried looked natural, but this one, like, you cannot tell me this doesn't look like my natural hair. Like currently what it looks like, it does. It really does. So this one's just some specs about it. It is the curly wig texture in 14 inches. And I also did just shape up, you know, bring some dimension to the hair to frame my face a little bit better, and that helped as well. But I didn't have to take off much. Let me show you guys what I took off. So this is literally like the hair that I cut, so just like a little bit of a trim. I actually feel like this wig was more manageable than other wigs that I've tried from HerGivenHair. So washing the hair, I was able to finger detangle. Typically I would use a brush because HerGivenHair wigs are very dense and thick, and it's just easier when I use my Denman brush to brush through the hair. However, I am lacking my Denman brush. I have no idea where it went. I don't have any bobby pins either, you guys. I don't know what's going on, where my stuff is going. But I didn't have a brush, so I just used my fingers and it worked really well, like finger detangling through the hair. I used the Curl Origin Marula and Quinoa Uplifting Shampoo, which is one of my favorite shampoos for my natural hair. I meant to show you guys the hair that shed from the wig after shampooing, but I threw it out by accident. But it wasn't anything crazy. It was, you know, pretty normal and typical for the wig with this length and density, so that was fine. And then afterwards I always deep condition my wigs. Yes, I do. So I use one of my favorite deep conditioners for my natural hair, the Curl Origin Honey and Hibiscus More Moisture Please deep conditioner. I do have some footage of what the hair looked like after deep conditioning, so I'll plug that in over here. In terms of what I use to style for the wash and go, I just use a leave-in and a gel. Almost knocked my camera down. So the leave-in that I use, this is one that I'm still kind of trying out on my natural hair. This is the Curl Origin Curl Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. This I use as a leave-in. It worked really well. For the styler, the Curl Origin Honey and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Gelée. So this product, you guys, I believe when I did my declutter video, it was probably in that video because I was going to get rid of it. I was going to sell it. I actually hadn't even used it because I usually don't use gel on my natural hair. However, you guys, within recent weeks, I have been really wanting like a more laid, slick look, whether it's like an updo or a puff. And so I had this and I was like, let me just see how this works. This gel, you guys, it reminds me of Eco Styler, but like a natural alternative. So I use this as a styler for my wash and go for the wig, and you guys can see these curls are looking really, really good. One of the critiques that I had with the last wig that I tried was the ends weren't as curly for some reason. They seem to frizz, but with this wig I'm not having that issue. As you guys can see, like, it is defined from the top to the bottom, and yeah, it looks really, really good. All right, so now we're gonna jump into the installation, and when I tell you guys that it takes 5 minutes or less to install this unit, I'm not kidding. So I had my hair braided. I was gonna take my braids out to do a braid out to film another video, but I figured let me film this one first. And I would suggest that you do keep your hair in some kind of like preserved style before applying the wig, just because you already have like your part out, and it just makes it a little bit easier. You could use a wig cap as well, but I just pinned my braids back. And what you saw me doing was teasing the wig just to make the parting a bit more like realistic, right? Because nobody has perfect parts all the time. And I also did the same thing with my natural hair. So now I'm just putting the wig on my head, and there's a comb in the back that helps to secure it, so I use that. And there's also like a little bit of a string that I use as well to secure the wig in the back. And now we're gonna work on the front. So there are a couple of clips. As you can see, I'm just snapping them in. And I will say you have to just play around with the placement of the clips to make sure that the parting looks natural for you. So once I did that, I felt like I was good to go. Like, literally, just play around with it, snap, and you are done. Clip and go. I'm just kind of adjusting the wig on my head. My wig cap was a little bit large. I don't know if they sent me the medium. I don't usually have that problem with the caps being big. So I think it was just a mistake in the wig cap. But other than that, it fits so well. I fluffed the hair out, and I could have just left it just like this, but I wanted to give it some more shape. So that's why I did a little bit of trimming, and these are the final results. I have to film another video after this, and I feel like I can just come to you guys literally with this wig on, and you probably won't even be able to tell. You'll think it's my natural hair, which is really crazy. So overall, I highly recommend this unit. If you guys are interested in this bye-bye leave out thin part wig, then definitely check down below for the link, and I'll also leave a coupon code that you all can use to save some money on your purchase. So that is it for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this wig. Do we like it? Do we love it? Feel free to share this video, and of course, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.